Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And today's topic is physical cleansing of your house to stop the access of negative entities, negative spirits in your house before you start your actual energy work and inner work. Because if you do not do physical cleansing of your house, these entities will always have access to your house, and anyhow they are going to throw a lot of challenges on your path when you start your energy work to stop you. They'll try to stop you in many ways, and as I have told you in my previous videos about these spirits, that they always maintain that you may never get to know about them, so that you be in that sort of illusion. Maybe you are feeling lazy and you are maybe not in a mood to do this and that, so this is how they play. So what all to be clear from your house in physical cleansing? First of all, you have to remove all sort of broken items, which can be in any form. It can be of glass, it can be of metal items, any utensils in your kitchen which is being broken, maybe even a bit of it has to be removed. Another thing, if you have a habit of keeping old clothes, like which is extremely old, maybe 5 year, 10 year, or maybe older than that, my suggestion is to remove that, because your clothes hold energy of your past. And I believe when you're listening to my videos, you have already gone through spiritual awakening, and now you need to remove old energies. I'm not asking you to remove all of your maybe latest clothes, but try to remove as many as which are older than maybe more than 2 to 3 years. Also, one more thing, what I realized in my journey, there were a lot of people who and these were young girls, and there were women also who used to ask my clothes. Okay, so there were few who were actually asking to wear it just on maybe on occasions or any sort of party or festival. But then there were females who wanted to perform black magic, so they needed my clothes. Okay, and that was one of the biggest mistake. So when somebody wants to perform black magic, they need some of your items, like yes, it can be of your picture also, but then if they have your maybe hair, or maybe your cloth, or any other maybe your slippers, anything, it becomes so easy for them to put a lot of negative energies on you. So make sure, first of all, you are not giving your clothes to anyone, even in your immediate family. Stop sharing your clothes. And also, you are not supposed to give your these old clothes to anyone for free. If you would like to donate in some sort of maybe orphanage or any other place where you can donate, that is still okay. But otherwise, in case you want to give these clothes to any of your friends or family member, make sure you take some sort of money as an energy exchange from them, and that energy exchange can be of minimum amount that will work. It shouldn't be very big amount, but you will have to take some sort of money from them. It can be any small amount, so that what happens, even though if they want to misuse your energy through your clothes or any of your items, they will not be able to, because you have taken an energy exchange, so it becomes null. So always remember that. So you have to remove your clothes. You decide where you want to throw, you want to give it to somebody, or you want to donate it. That will be your call. I cannot advise anything in that. Also, in case you have kept any sort of items in your house which is unused, now you're not using it since very long time, that can be anything. Okay, that has to be removed. And also, many times people keep old gadgets which are not in working conditions, and maybe it can be a clock, or maybe wristwatch, which are not in working conditions. These items to be removed, or maybe get corrected in and start using that, because these items when are not in use and not in working conditions, these brings negative entities, and so it becomes one of the biggest reason. Another thing, you have to remove unnecessary maybe dead plants. I have seen people either forget or tend to keep dead plants in their house in any form, like maybe in your balcony, in your garden. So any sort of dead plants should not be there in your house. Okay, because it is also not good. any type of dry dead flowers should not be remaining in your house. That should be removed immediately. Another thing, in case you have a habit of keeping any sort of bills in your house, like maybe medical bills, it can be in prescription form, or any sort of like x-ray, ct scan report, anything like that. I hope you understand. So if you have kept it since very long time and now you do not need that, you need to remove such items from your house. But in case you think you have some sort of prescription which you may need in future, you can take a picture, and a screenshot, and keep it on your email, but remove it from your house. Because any these types of energies kept on increasing the same type of energy in your life. So this affects your health and again your energies. So these are few things I remember what I'm asking you to remove. But anything you see in your house which is of no use, unnecessary taking space, and so you have to remove such items. As if now I remember these things only. In case I remember other thing, I will definitely share with you all. But physical cleansing is extremely important. Why? Because twin flames always experience lot of anxiety and depression because of new moon, full moon, and then so many other energy portals which gets open in an year. There are many portals. So I know that what sort of anxiety and depression I was feeling. Okay, so that was extreme, and that was only happening because of portals. So when I started doing my energy work, yes, it was helping me, but then these physical cleansing is really important. And if you have unused gadgets, maybe laptop, mobile phones, or any sort of charges, unnecessary thing, you'll have to remove it. Remember, electronic items always bring these energies. So that is why I have mentioned in my previous video, I'm sure I've done that, you always have to smudge your electronic items, because they holds a lot of energies. So why am I making a lot of pressure on cleansing these physical items? Because it really affects your mental health. It creates mental fog. So energy cleansing, I mean the physical cleansing of your house is really important. And make sure no broken items remains in your house. So this was about today's video. In next video I will be sharing how can you do energy cleansing of your house, which is the second step. So physical cleansing of your house before starting the inner work is the first step. And I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself, and thank you for watching and subscribing my channel. Bye bye.